Today I'll be demonstrating how to properly package and mail your hair to us. First and foremost, we want to make sure that you don't mail anything to us without first having some form of communication, either email, phone call, text message, but we do need to speak to you before you mail anything to us whatsoever. Our first step is to have the hair that you're either looking to donate to us or to make a wig with, clean and dry and place on a paper towel. Once you have the hair placed on the paper towels, then you're going to go ahead and measure it. Make sure that it's a minimum of 10 inches long. Anything under 10 inches is unusable. Once you've met our minimum length requirement, you'll make sure that the ponytails are fastened extremely tight so that we don't lose any hair, and you'll place the elongated ponytails onto your paper towel and roll it up. Avoid putting the hair into a braid so that once the hair arrives, we know the natural texture. Once you finish that, you'll go ahead and open your Ziploc bag. Next, you'll fill out the client information sheet that you can find on our website. Be sure to include your name, address, email, phone number, and who the wig is for. Once you've completed the client information sheet, you'll then make sure that you include head measurements, either taken at home or taken via video consultation with myself. Next, you'll take the pieces of paper, fold them in half, and place them in the bag with your donation. Once you've completed that, you make sure all of the air is out of the bag, and you'll seal it up. Be sure to write your name on the bag. Next, you'll place the hair into the package of your choice, and if the hair is too long to fit into the package, then you can easily just fold the remainder over, like so. This won't damage the hair or break it. Be sure to stuff the package with any kind of bubble wrap or paper towels, anything so that the hair doesn't shift around. Once you're finished with that, you'll go ahead and seal your package up, reinforce it with some packing tape, fill out who it's going to, and be sure to send us a tracking number so we know to expect your package. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Veronica Balch, co-founder of Compassionate Creations Wig Design.